In this video, Timmy's going to show you how to automatically make YouTube videos play in HD. So, you know how when you go onto YouTube and you watch a video, it sometimes plays in a not very good resolution, it looks sort of all pixelated and not very good, and obviously you can click on this cog icon here, and you'll see the quality's 480p, but you could change it to 4K or HD depending on what the video is, and then it will look a lot better. But unfortunately then, whenever you go to a different video, it will change back to the low resolution, and it will be really annoying. But if you're using a popular web browser like Google Chrome or Firefox, there's actually a really cool way that you can just install a little thing that will automatically set your videos to be a high resolution or even a low resolution if you want to save internet or something. So if you're in Google Chrome, you can go to the Chrome Web Store and install this Chrome extension with this name. It's kind of hard to say. But so you can just search for that in the Chrome Web Store, or you can click on the link in the video description down below. That'll probably be much easier. But then once you come here, you just need to click on Add to Chrome, and then click on Add Extension, and then it will add this extension into Google Chrome, and you'll see here, it says it's been added. So then if you click on this puzzle piece, you'll see it down here. So if you click on it now, you can choose the resolution that you want it to automatically play your YouTube videos in. So by default, it's going to automatically play them in 720p, which is a decent resolution. It's kind of what most resolution looks like on a TV, so you might like that. Or you can go full HD, which is 1080p, which is probably a really nice option. Or you can go all the way up to 8K, which looks extremely good and extremely high quality, and it's as good as YouTube does, and you can there are barely any people make 8K videos, but there's a few around, so if you really want to watch 8K, or if you just want to have it set at the maximum amount. So if you set this at 8K, and you go and watch a video that's in 4K, it will automatically play in 4K, or you watch an HD video, it'll play in HD. So if you set it at 8K, it will just always play the best amount. But if you set it at a lower one, it will always play at that lower one. Like if you set it at 144p, it will look very terrible. You'll barely be able to see what's going on. But if you really want to have a low quality, that's fine. You can choose that. Or if you set auto, that'll just be like normal. So YouTube will just choose it for you based on your internet speed like normal. But Timmy's going to go up and click on 8K. And now you can just go out of that, and now whenever you go to YouTube and watch a YouTube video, it'll be playing in the highest quality the video is available in. So that's really cool, and it means you can just easily watch a high quality video without having to go into the settings and change it. Timmy's always going into the settings and changing it to a higher quality because it always plays in a lower quality for some reason and it just doesn't look very good. So Timmy always likes to change it to that higher quality. So it's good to be able to do that. And if you're using Firefox, there's also a way you can do that in Firefox as well. So it doesn't just have to be in Chrome. So if you're in Firefox, Timmy's found this is the best browser add-on for Firefox that does it. So there'll be another link in the video's description below, or you can just search YouTube High Definition, which is the name of it, in here, and just search it and find it, but it'll be easier to click on the link in the video description. And then just click on Add to Firefox. And now it will add the add-on to Firefox, and you just have to click on Add here. And now it'll tell you it's been added, so you can just click on OK, got it. And now if you click on this HD symbol up here, you'll see video quality here. It's on high res at the moment, but you can manually choose 4K, or you can choose HD, or 720p, or large, or medium, small, tiny, or default, which is the default one that YouTube chooses for you. So if you choose 4K, it will automatically play at 4K, or perhaps a slightly lower resolution if the video is only that lower resolution, but it'll play in the highest resolution possible. So that's really cool. And you can, with this, you can even change some things like the video speed if you really want to. So it'll be playing really fast, and you can change the volume and stuff like that. But really, all that matters in this video is changing the video quality. So that's done. So now you can go to YouTube in Firefox and you can watch videos, and they'll automatically be in high quality as well. So that's really cool, and hopefully you found this helpful. And if you did, please click on the thumbs up button down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, click on the subscribe button down below, and click on the little bell icon next to the subscribe button to be notified every time Timmy makes a new video. So that's really cool, and Timmy will see you in the next video.